Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Gupta and this is a recent Stack project that I've built. It's a small scale project for an internship that I'm doing at Techplement as a backend developer. So it's a user registration system that I've built that allows users access to log in and sign up as a user and the, edit their profile details and all. So currently I've created I have used MERN stack, so I have used MongoDB for the database to store all the user details. I have the I've created a database here, week1db, and in which I'm using the users table. So I've created one field here, one object using all Harsh Gupta. Contact number is a random number, and username is Harsh02. So let's try logging in. Username, password that I've set. So as you can see, this shows me my profile details available here. Name Harsh Gupta, contact, username, and I can set a new password if I want. And using update profile, it will be updated. So let's try to log out. Yes, the logout function also works. Let's try to sign up as a new user. So here name will put is let's say demo. Contact any random number, but it should be of contact number length because of the form validation that we're doing here. Username, uh, let's try user. Password, for simplicity I'll keep root as the password, and I sign up. So my details have been lodged into the database. Let's try to reload, and yes, we can see the details that are mentioned that we signed up are stored in the database. Now one more thing that we take notice here is the password. The password that we used or that we signed up using is not stored in its raw form. It's been hashed and stored. What do you mean by hash? It's a procedure to hash the password into a certain string code which allows security. So this allows us security from uh, cross-site scripting attacks from different users, and basically allows our profile details to be secure and uh, safe from any threats. So how did we achieve this hashing? We have used the Node.js functionality called JWT, JavaScript Web Tokens. Here in the code, we can see the user controller file that we've created. Here we can see we have used JWT tokens to hash the password and store it into the database. So it adds this level of security. Let's try logging into through the new user that we created. We saw the password was root. Let's try logging in. So we are able to log in, and all the details that we saw in the database are the same here. Let's try to update any details. For example, I want to change the name to testing. We update the profile. Profile successfully updated. Okay. So that means it should be already updated in the database as well. Reloading the data, and yes, the profile has been updated. The name of this object is updated. As we can see, the object ID remains the same. Also, one more thing to notice here is we are using two indexes for this database, for this table actually. The one is the default index called ID, object ID. This one is the default. The other one we're using is username. Index is basically a unique field in the object in the class that we create. So username cannot be same of two different users. So here we have created the schema user.js. Here we have written the index condition. So that's why. So coming back, uh, yes. So now here, let's try to. So we know the profile update profile works, logout works. Let's try to delete a profile. So if I delete, yes, okay, and it routes me back to the default login page. So let's see if our profile has been deleted. Yes, it has been deleted. Thus, all the profile functionalities that I've implemented into the project work. So this type of project is very useful when we are actually creating large scale projects, because obviously when we are creating an e-commerce website or a fully fledged project, user registration system will be there. So I have already created this as a template, so people can simply embed this code into their own without the hassle to create their own user registration system, because this already is very safe with password hashing and all. Along with that, I've added my watermark for copyright purposes. So thank you all. I hope the session was helpful, and I'll try to create more projects in the future. Thank you.